Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick how-to video. What we got here today is how to change the front light bulb on a Harley. If you have one of these, you're gonna need three tools. It's a 3/16 hex bit and your choice of pliers to remove the top one. You don't have to remove it, just loosen them and it should pop right up. And if you do not have one of these windshield thingies, then all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver to remove these clamps. When removing these clamps, you gotta be careful because some of the front light bulbs do not have a housing, and the light bulb is the glass in front is gonna fall. So you gotta make sure to hold it if you're not sure, so it doesn't end up falling. So just hold it while you remove the clamp, because some of them do not have the housing around it. But for this one, it does have it. You just gotta push in and pull out. Ooh, sounds familiar, doesn't it? Anyways, once you do that, you will have the housing as well on inside. You just gotta remove first, unplug it first, and the housing is not stuck like glued or anything. It's just a spring pretty much. Anyways, it just has the two clips. You push them in and they'll come right off. This one, the same thing, and then you have this clips over here, and that's gonna release the light bulb, and that's pretty much it. So before you put everything back together, test it out first so you don't do double work. Once you test it out, make sure just put everything back together the same way you took it apart. But that's pretty much it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more how-to and tech videos.